Welcome students in the fifth video of science for class 7 chapter 11 soil. In this video we shall know about absorption of water by soil and percolation rate. So about absorption of water by soil we have already read in fourth video, and we also have observed practically how soil absorb water, and it depends on the size of particles containing by a particular soil. जैसे आपने देखा था कि सैंडी सॉइल में रॉक के छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स थे और इनका आकार क्ले या लोमी सॉइल के कणों से बड़े थे, इसलिए यह पानी को आसानी से अपने से पास कर दे रहे थे. बट इन लोमी सॉइल particles are slightly smaller than sandy soil, so the water cannot easily prevented by them, and the average water can sip from the loamy soil. But in clay soil, maximum amount of water was absorbed by the particles of clay because they are so fine and they are able to trap the water in it. चूंकि उनके कण बहुत महीन हैं और वह आसानी से चिपक जाते हैं और इसलिए पानी को अपने आप में रोक लेते हैं, इसलिए बहुत कम पानी उनसे बाहर आ पाता है. ऐसी स्थिति में इन मिट्टियों का क्या प्रभाव हमारे जीवन में पड़ता है? तो जो मिट्टियां पानी को अत्यधिक मात्रा में एब्जॉर्ब कर सकती हैं वह हमारे फसलों के लिए अच्छी होती है. सभी फसल नहीं, बट कुछ फसल ऐसे हैं जिनके लिए यह एक अच्छे मिट्टी साबित होते हैं. हालांकि कुछ फसल ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें कम पानी की जरूरत होती है, उनके लिए फिर सैंडी सॉइल है, लोमी सॉइल है. साथ में ये दूसरे पेड़ पौधों के लिए पानी को ऑब्जर्व रखते हैं. एंड percolation rate means percolation means risna. What type of soil can percolate how much water in a certain time? It is known by its percolation rate. So in percolation rate, the amount of water is divided by the time of percolation. So the percolation rate can be defined by the ratio of a unit amount of water is and the percolation time. So percolation rate is equal to volume of water over percolation time. Suppose you have 500 ml of water and the percolation time is given 10 minutes. Then the percolation rate will be cut 0 to 0 means 50 ml per minute. यानी यह क्या बताया कि उस सैंपल से अगर 500 ml पानी 10 मिनट में गिरता है तो इसका परकोलेशन रेट 50 ml पर मिनट होगा. Now student, we should get more knowledge from our book. So let's read book and grow more knowledge. Absorption of water by soil. We have learned that different soils have different water holding capacity. That is, different soil absorb water to different extent. As here an activity given, just we skip this activity because we have already done it in previous class. Now what did you observe by those activities? We find that the larger these soil particles, the less time it takes for the water to pass because the space between these particles is larger. बार बार और हर बार यह बात मैंने आपको बताई कि जितने बड़े कण होंगे वह पानी को उतना ही आसानी से और जल्दी अपने से बाहर कर देंगे, जैसा कि सैंडी सॉइल में हुआ था. Many characteristics of soil can be understood from the above activity. As soil has many pores or gaps which allow water to flow down, rainwater also passes through these pores and this water helps the plants to grow and also increases the level of groundwater. The pores present in soil are filled with air. Air helps the animals living in soil to breathe. Now percolation rate of water in soil. Even about it you have been learned and you have been shown how can we get the percolation rate of water in soil. Same activity has been given here. There is an activity has been given to find the percolation rate of water in soil. As look for a place which has a good amount of soil like a park or garden and dig at least 2 cm deep in the ground. Now place a glass pipe here as shown in the diagram. Measure 250 ml water and slowly pour into the pipe. Start the stopwatch immediately when you start pouring water into the pipe and note down the time. यानी 250 ml पानी हम उस स्थान में डालते हैं जहां हमने उस पाइप को लगाया है और हम यह वॉच करते हैं कि वह 250 ml पानी कितनी देर में उस मिट्टी के द्वारा सोख लिया जाता है. You can note the time again when all the water percolate into the soil. You can now calculate the percolation rate by using the formula as percolation rate is equal to volume of water upon percolation time. So suppose the sample of soil taken by you takes 25 minutes for 200 ml. To percolate, the percolation rate will be calculated as 200 ml by 25 minutes. It will be 10 milliliter per minute, and thus we can know the percolation rate of water in a particular ground or a particular type of soil. So students, about soil erosion we shall know in the next video. Till then, thank you.